How much are you loving yourself? Emotional freedom techniques or tapping can really help you give yourself some love. Join me for this tap along for self-love. Welcome back to Selfcare Karen. This video is part of my emotional freedom techniques series. You may have heard of tapping. That's what this is. It's a talking therapy. I do have an introduction video about this therapy. If you'd like to take a look, then I'll put the link up here. Although I just realized when you're watching on a television, you cannot see the links. But if you take a look at my channel, you'll be able to see all of the videos that I have. This video has got timestamps, so if you want to skip ahead to the tap along sequence, then just take a look at the video description and you will see the timestamps there. And I actually have, I think about 30 different tapping sequences now. And what I've done is I've created a playlist, and that playlist gets added to every time I upload a new tap along sequence. So I shall put a link to that playlist up here. Also, just to let you know that in my Etsy shop, you can find companion products for your EFT journey. And I am a big believer in personalization, and that is why I offer a script writing service. So yeah, if that's something that interests you, if there's something particular you want to work on and you want to work with me on that, then just take a look at my Etsy shop. Also, massive believer about developing healthy habits, and that's why I personally use my weekly habit tracker, which you can get for free as a download if you join my mailing list. You will find details in the video description about how to join my mailing list. Please do let me know if there is a topic that you would like me to cover in an upcoming video. It could be to do with EFT, it could be a meditation, could be a beauty product. Just let me know in the comments and I will definitely work on your suggestion. Okay, so why am I doing all these videos about EFT? Well, because I absolutely believe that this therapy is so worthwhile. It is very easy to use, and it definitely has helped me get rid of lots of limiting beliefs and release myself from a lot of emotional blocks, really enabling me to live my best life. Self-love is the practice of taking care of yourself, both physically and emotionally, and treating yourself with kindness, with respect, with compassion. It involves accepting yourself for who you are, recognizing your own strengths, but also any kind of limitations that you might have or development opportunities, and engaging in activities that promote your personal growth and your well-being. What I have found with self-love and all of this self-love malarkey is it's not the job of a day. It is the job for every day. Every day you need to show yourself self-love. Every day you need to work on removing limiting beliefs and all those emotional blocks and any kind of negative thought pattern that you might have there that is stopping you from accepting yourself and loving yourself unconditionally and completely. As a talking therapy, EFT, Emotional Freedom Techniques, is really well placed to help you with this daily activity. Don't worry if you've not seen my introduction video, if you know nothing about tapping and EFT, not a problem. You really can just follow along. I will be tapping different meridian points on my body. If you do the same, that would be wonderful. I will also be saying things out loud. You can repeat my words or you can just listen to my words. All is good. Okay, I think it's best to do EFT somewhere quiet and alone and where you're not going to be disturbed. But I have actually done EFT walking around. People probably think I'm a complete lunatic, but I've got no shame. I don't mind. Whatever works for you. Let's just focus on our breath. Check in with yourself. How are you feeling? And we're going to start with a karate chop. Okay, so I'm just going to raise my hand and I'm going to tap the side of my hand. I love and accept myself. I love and honour myself. I love and respect myself. Eyebrow. I accept myself even with all my imperfections. Side of eye. I embrace all parts of me. Under eye. I am worthy of unconditional love. Under nose. I am perfect even with all my human imperfections. Chin. I am loving, loved and lovable. Collarbone. I love myself unconditionally. Underarm. I give myself the freedom to be all that I can be. Top of head. I am free to be me. Eyebrow. I know I am doing the best that I can. Side of eye. I choose to love myself. Under eye. I have enough. I do enough. I am enough. Under nose. I am worthy of my desires. Chin. I know who I am and I know my value. Collarbone. I choose to only speak to myself kindly. Underarm. I deserve love and compassion from myself and from others. Top of head. I am beautiful and strong. Eyebrow. I choose to release myself from any emotional blocks I have about being able to love myself. Side of eye. I give myself permission to love myself. Under eye. I release any limiting beliefs I have around self-love. Under nose. I am filled with gratitude for who I am. Chin. All I need is within me. Collarbone. I am free of all limiting beliefs. Underarm. I honour myself and the decisions I make. Top of head. I deeply love and accept myself in all that I am and in all that I am becoming. Stop tapping. Take a deep breath in. Release that breath slowly. And just take a moment to check in with yourself and how you're feeling. As I said, I feel that this is the job of every day. It's not a one-time event, so I would recommend that you practice the sequence daily. It all starts with you. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, I upload an EFT video every Monday, and on Fridays a beauty product review video. Remember, you are in perfect time. See you soon.